We have a question that's come in from Naveen through email. Now, Naveen says that he's planning to purchase property on Bannerghatta Road in Bengaluru. Total cost of the flat is 79 lakh rupees. But due to demonetization, the builder is now asking him to make full payment in cash. How should he go about it? Should he cancel it? You know, Jayashree, this is... I don't know whether you should actually qualify this as the impact of demonetization. He's actually been asked for cash payment over here.
I can't understand why anybody would ask for a cash payment at this point of time, because the taxman would clearly go straight to those developers. Now, let's take this question at face value and let's see, should anybody pay a developer who's asking for the entire money in cash? Even if he asks for part of the money in cash, I don't think you should go for it, because today's economic environment is such that across the country, what the government wants to do is to clean up these markets and make sure that all transactions become above board and are in all white transactions and not a part in cash. So I would say that if you were looking for a property and you've shortlisted it and you've set your heart on it, nevertheless, I would say if it was a question of going for a black money transaction, remember that there will be very, very stringent punishments. The taxmen are on the prowl. They don't want this kind of thing happening. So I would say please don't go for such a deal at all.
Right. Do not go for such deals. And in fact, if anybody is asking you for cash, demonetization or no demonetization, that in itself should be enough to raise a red flag in your mind, and as a home buyer you should just run away from deals like that.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.